couple of special things for you. One is a little book remembering one of our greatest writers, who I'm sure you would have heard of from your school, and the other is a little Nigerian that's made in Ireland by a Nigerian lady. This is Nigerian Kilishi made in Dublin. Made in Dublin.
You import it here and
So
then
you
export them back.
So you can test it. You can test it. Of course, he is the man who wrote the famous anniversary of his being awarded the Nobel Prize.
That way. The protocol. Somebody have that phone too.
That's what I was going to say. Technology, animals, and children. Three things you shouldn't say. Good job. Are your three children citizens of Nigeria now? Is that in Nigeria?
No. UK.
UK?
One is
Okay. So we could introduce you to target small ones.